What are we doing?
We are gonna go steal Larissa's makeup bag. She has no clue what I'm doing. You guys never see this. This is my guest bedroom. This is actually all donations that I've already sorted. Like, these are going very, very soon. Hey. Larissa's sleeping with her Nurse Jamie pillow and being a good girl. This helps you to not like smash your face at night. Ooh, I approve. Tokyo Milk Dark. What is she doing? What is this? Looks disgusting. Well, this is from a few holidays ago. Off we go. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I have this lovely makeup bag right in front of me. We are going to uncover all of the goods in here. Ooh, I spy some Laura Mercier. I think I have given my sister a lot of this makeup. So this is all of my sister Larissa's makeup, and I am not gonna use any of my makeup. So I am challenging myself to just dig through here, create a look for the day. My sister's actually right over here. I'm gonna full on Tati cam it. We're gonna show Larissa digging through, hi, wave hi. You're digging through more makeup.
I'm just taking a peek.
Anything good?
Extras. You know, there's
Hey, hands off the one to the far left. That's for my subscribers.
Oh,
Okay, so explain to me actually your process with this. Come over here for a second.
all right.
This is Larissa. I'm gonna probably either do her makeup or we're gonna get ready together before she goes back home to Seattle. So you have, for brushes, what do you have in here?
So this is just kind of a powder everything.
What do you mean everything?
Well, so kind of at the end, if I just need to do a little ending blend of...
An ending blend.
Well, sometimes you just gotta touch stuff
Or for
up.
bronzer? Okay, what do you bronze with?
And I use this for blush, which I'm gonna get really
So
big
you
trouble for
you
that too.
use one brush for both.
Yes. So I start with the Beauty Blender.
This needs
Right.
to be washed.
Well, I know.
Okay, but no, be honest. When was the last time that you washed this?
When did I visit you?
Do you know what's
no,
crazy though?
no.
Look at her skin. She is the sister out of all of us. So I have 3 sisters. I am in the middle, this older sister. I have 2 younger. And me and the 2 younger, like we've struggled a little bit with breakouts. You've always, like you could rub mud on your face and you won't even break out, not once. If I did this, this would be like a nightmare for my face.
So to
I'm
be
not
honest,
using this.
I think this, I've used another one since then.
Ooh.
So I've been using the Wet n Wild one, right? But you had given me a few extras of the, what do you call it? The sponge foundation or whatever? What do you call it?
Cushion.
Cushion. The cushion foundation.
Wait, you don't use primer?
Well, I'm traveling.
You don't have a primer?
I do, but I'm traveling.
Well, what primer do you have?
Oh, I have the Tarte one. I like that little pot of Tarte.
High five.
So,
I like that one so much.
So I do the cushion, I do under my eyes, and then I do powder, and then I set it. But
So this is you use this as your exclusive foundation.
Yes.
Oh, it's not too bad.
Yeah,
You
it's-
seem a lot tanner than me. Oh, this is actually not bad.
Yeah, I like that
Okay, okay, I'm good for a moment. Continue on your makeup adventure over there.
Okay. See you later.
Ooh, this is nice. I like this. Larissa. Wow. Wow. I need this. Laneige BB Cushion SPF 50 in medium. That might break me out. I have a weird thing with SPF, but we'll see. This like went on with a dream. That's not how it said. It went on like a dream. Concealer. Thank God. This is actually very Tati approved. This is the CATRICE Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. So you know what is up with dark circles. Like we need to cover them. This stuff is like pretty intense, but it does not like crackle or crease, I find anyway.
I agree.
Sure, you agree. It's your concealer. Like, I agree, I love it. What's a concealer you've used that you've hated? Let's trash talk some makeup right now, Larissa.
Sometimes the real thick ones, I want to say like Laura Mercier. They're so thick and they're not really blendable, and then you get the creases in your eyes.
So is this like your order of application? So you do foundation, concealer, and then you go to your powder. You got the goods here. This was actually the thing I was most excited about when I opened up her makeup bag, because I really did not look in here before doing this at all. And I was like, yes, she got the good stuff. This is like one of the best powders. It's like top 5 for sure. I'm gonna bake my face. Do you bake?
I do.
Your face?
Yeah, under my eyes. I'll leave that powder there for a little while, and then I'll move on to the bronzer.
What's your favorite trick?
Probably the under eye stuff.
This.
Yeah.
What I'm doing right now,
Yes.
sealing it all in. Okay, moving on. We need to find some brow products in here.
Negatory Batman. There would be no.
Oh my
brow
God,
things in
are
my
you
bag right now.
serious? I'm gonna look a little strange, guys, but we're finishing this. Maybe we'll use like an eyeshadow. Wow, what is this? Vapour Organic Mesmerize Eyeliner. Explain this to me.
It's easy.
I don't understand this. Edward Bess. We love Edward Bess. We all love Edward Bess. This lip liner, yes, if you are a makeup lover and you are in my life, like in my personal life, then you use this. This is really disappointing. Do my eye makeup. Show me how you do this. No, show me how you use this.
Well, I have to be really careful because they look exactly the same.
Which one?
Oh, for reals. Stop. Oh, well, I would do this one.
That one first?
Stop it. Yeah, all over my eye.
Go. Oh my God.
What?
I feel like I'm in 5th grade sneaking makeup. I literally would beg her to do my makeup before like 5th grade. No joke. And she'd put on like tinted lip balm on me and like a little bit of blush. And Mom really didn't notice. She really didn't.
We had fun.
What you didn't know is that I always would steal your Clinique 3-step situation that you had. And again, like 5th grade me is like, I definitely need skincare. So I would wake up early and I would go into the bathroom. We had one bathroom for all of us, for everybody in the house. And I would do the 3 steps and pray to God that you didn't notice that it was getting used.
I didn't notice.
You didn't notice.
So the 3 steps were just fine.
I had the best skin of any 5th grader.
See? I don't do anything fancy here. Look, I just get a little color on my eyeball. Shut up.
With no eyebrows. Hey, you gotta even me out. This is not that bad. This is not that bad.
I know.
It's not that bad.
It's not bad. It's just a quick,
How long is your routine, would you say?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Oh my God, you could do the 10-minute makeup challenge. Do you know
could.
that?
Look, when you got to get moving and grooving at home, you got to have a system, a quick
You
system.
do.
It's like watching Mom. She uses her fingers for everything.
Oh, I know.
So, but I got to say, I used to feel like when sponges and stuff became, I don't want to say more popular because they've always been around, but I had a hard time using that stuff. Sometimes with my hands, I just can control everything much better.
Well, you didn't know that you had to dampen the beauty blender for a while.
I had no idea. That was weird. So there's a lot of things that you have taught me too.
You're doing good. I literally feel like I'm like,
Right?
I forgot how relaxing it is to
When
have
somebody
someone
does
do your makeup. I'm like, can someone just like, for like 15 minutes, just be like... This is a Larissa makeover and the journey continues.
Okay.
All right.
Forge ahead.
We're gonna kick off the bake. We need a little bit more. It's not bad. Like, this is actually not bad. This palette is surprising me. This, I think, was from a holiday collection. Okay, we need liner. You have like, she has like 3 different liners in here though. I am so surprised. You have 0 eyebrow products, but you have 3 liners.
But have you looked at my eyebrows lately?
Yeah, she has good eyebrows, dude. This is a really good lash curler.
So that's a newer one, and I got it at Sephora.
Ooh, Tweezerman, yes. Going in with our Edward Bess lip liner. You don't have any lipstick. All right, we're just gonna do
use
that.
that a lot too.
A little Absolute Balm. I have foundation all over my lips though, so this looks a little weird. So Larissa's mascara choices, she has no brow products, but we have the Lights Camera Lashes, which I've been very vocal about. I do not like this mascara. It irritates my eyes and flakes everywhere. What do you think? Obviously you like it.
Yeah, that one has treated me well. I think that's actually the second one I've had.
Really? Huh. I keep trying them and I'm like, it's no use. It's just not for me. And that tends to be, something that happens a lot with makeup, you guys. One person can love something and another person can be like, gosh, this just really does not suit me. So The other one she has is the Sumptuous Infinite Daring Length and Volume Mascara. Now this looks really good actually. Nice long brush. It has kind of those harder rubberized bristles to really separate. I would be into that, but you know what I'm not into? An eye infection. Repeat after me, class. An eye infection is a no. Don't share your mascaras. Use your own. So I'm gonna do that. That's gonna be like the one rule that I break here. And we're just gonna keep it drugstore and use a little Lash Paradise. Have you tried this one?
No, who makes that one?
L'Oreal.
Oh, ooh, no.
Ooh. Look how good this is.
Ooh, it's good.
It's good, right? All right, we're ready for a little blush, and this is another part of that holiday kit from Stila. So I'm gonna take this brighter pink blush, and not a die-hard favorite, but not terrible, you know? Yeah, this might be the first one that I'm like, we need to get you a better blush. I do love this bronzer though, so Larissa is getting it right with this bronzer. It's one of the best, and I am actually gonna take her all over brush. So I wanna just really warm up my entire complexion. And I will even, like with a larger brush like this, I will really stamp it almost into the hair. She's really paying attention right now. Dude, I love this foundation. So this is her highlighting brush. It's the Pure Blurring Powder Brush. Ooh, ooh, oh! That's nice. I was not expecting that because the blush was really not like that pigmented. Ooh, I really like that. That is super pretty. Wow. So nice. I could really keep going, but this is where the journey stops because there's really not anything else in here. So she does have, of course, her moisturizer, which is the Caudalie 3-in-1 moisturizer. I think I showed you everything else. She has a pair of tweezers because her brows are so awesome. She doesn't even need brow products, and there's really nothing more to it. Now, what I want to do really quickly is load up her bag with things that I think she's missing. So Larissa does not have brow products in here. I think I've said that at least 5,000 times in this video, and that would be like the one thing that I think would pull this whole look together and make it work. Like, this is not bad makeup, so I'm like a-okay with this makeup, except for the fact that it does look a little strange because I'm so used to seeing myself with brows on, but ignore that. So I'm hooking her up with a better blush. This is Baked Gelato from Laura Geller in Rose Water. That's going in there. She definitely needs 2 new makeup brushes. I know that the whole keeping it simple thing is a big deal because we don't want to overload this bag, but a good crease brush will take you very far places. You can just really get a nice blend, and I think that is so super important. So great little crease brush right here from IT Cosmetics, and then from Anastasia, a flat brush will also make a world of a difference if you want to pack on color. So I'm putting that in here, and then I noticed that there was no setting spray. I'm gonna kind of cheat it and just like give a little mist, because why not? It feels great. This is from Wander Beauty, and this is really nice, but we know I have 5,000 setting sprays, so I'm gonna part with this one because it's cute and tiny and will fit right in here. Ooh, it's burning my nose though. This is the Glacier Water with Lavender Oil and Evening Primrose Oil. Now, this is the trick that saves the day. If you have too much of a powdery thing going on with your look, you can do a quick little mist. You can even grab your beauty blender and kind of, you know, smudge it on in, and everything just looks nice and hydrated and great. And beyond that, I mean, I might put a contour powder in here, but I don't think that you really go for that step. Yeah, we'll skip the contour, keep it really simple. Everything else in here I think is great. And I need this foundation and some brows. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to share the video, subscribe if you are not subscribed, and ring that bell. And then take it a step further and hit all so that you see my videos. I do post 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, so I hope that you guys come back. I am now gonna work really hard on twisting her arm to film a Get Ready with me, so maybe that will be posted soon as well. All right, I love you guys so much. Thanks for hanging out. I will see you with brows on in my next video. Mwah.